Okay, picture this. A world that works absolutely perfectly. All through the quiet of the night, you've got this digital heart just beating steadily. Every single piece of the system, it's like a symphony of precision. It's calm, it's stable, it's ready. But then the sun comes up, the clock strikes 9 a.m., and all of that peace just shatters.
And that right there, that's our mystery. How can something that's so reliable, so perfect, just suddenly fail? The morning rush hits and the engine of our digital world just sputters and dies. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain and find out exactly why this happens. And then it begins. The first report comes in, just a little flicker of trouble on the horizon. But then another one hits. And another. That one report is suddenly becoming a flood. And now, it's everywhere. The 9 a.m. mystery is officially on, and believe me, the clock is ticking. So where do you even start to solve a puzzle like this? Well, the secret is realizing these aren't 100 different fires you need to put out. No, it's one single storm. And to understand it, let's stop thinking of our system as a machine and start thinking of it like a highway. Because at 9 a.m., it's rush hour. And somewhere, there's a traffic jam that's bringing everything to a screeching halt.
Look at it this way, right? During the quiet hours, cars can just cruise onto the highway. No problem. But at 9 a.m., it's a totally different story. You've got hundreds, maybe thousands of cars, all trying to merge at the exact same time. All it takes is for one car to just tap its brakes, one tiny hesitation, and it creates this massive ripple effect, a system-wide pileup. Our mission is to find that one car.
Now, to find the source of this jam, we're going to need a map. And this is our map, the login journey. Every single person has to travel through each of these 4 steps to get to work, and just like a chain, it's only ever as strong as its weakest link.
So our first suspect is authentication. Think of this as the main gate onto the highway. When everyone shows up at once, the gatekeeper, that's the domain controller, it just gets completely overwhelmed. It's trying to check everyone's digital ID, a process called LDAP, and suddenly this huge line forms before anyone even gets inside.
But hey, once you're through the gate, the journey is not over, not by a long shot. Now the system has to go find your personal desk, all your files, your settings, the whole shebang. It's kind of like trying to move hundreds of really heavy desks through one narrow hallway, all at the same time. If that hallway is too slow, or the desks are just too big, you get another major traffic jam.
And finally, there's the destination itself, your virtual desktop, or VDA. Let's call this the office building. Now, if there aren't enough desks for everyone who just fought through all that traffic, or if the building itself is just overwhelmed, well, people are left standing in the lobby with absolutely nowhere to work. And the result? The system fails.
And that right there is the real secret of the 9 a.m. mystery. See, it's never just one thing. It's a chain reaction. A tiny delay at the front gate creates a massive backup in the hallway, which then completely overwhelms the office building. It's an entire ecosystem, and when one part is feeling the strain, believe me, everything feels it.
But amidst all the chaos, the flashing alerts, and the frantic phone calls, the senior administrator, they're calm. They don't panic. Why? Because they have a playbook, a method for cutting through all that noise to find the truth. They approach this mystery not with guesswork, but with a solid plan.
And here's the masterstroke. The expert knows the secret isn't in the storm itself. The secret is in the calm before the storm. You see, the answer isn't found in the chaos of 9 a.m. It's hidden away in the quiet of 3 a.m.
And this is the moment of truth. On the left, you see the system when it's quiet, a nice, flat, steady line. Everything's great. On the right, at 9 a.m., boom, a massive spike. The data doesn't lie. It's like a giant beacon, pointing us directly to the source of our traffic jam. This is what we've been searching for, the bottleneck. It's that one narrow lane on our highway that causes the entire gridlock. I mean, it works perfectly fine with a few cars, but it was just never designed to handle that 9 a.m. rush. And now that we found it, we can finally fix it.
Look, solving the mystery is one thing. That's great. But the true goal, the real win, is to make sure it never, ever happens again. This is where we stop being firefighters and we start being architects. We're not just clearing the jam, we're redesigning the entire highway to prevent jams forever.
So here it is. This is the playbook for building a highway that never has traffic jams. It's about making sure the cars, your user profiles, are small and efficient. It's about having enough toll booths, those are your authentication servers, to handle the rush.
And it's about making sure your highway has enough lanes, not just for the traffic you have today, but for all the cars that are going to be on the road tomorrow.
So what's the one lesson to take away from our story today? It's this. To solve a great mystery, you have to see the whole story. From the very first turn of the key to the final arrival, it's all one journey. And somewhere in that journey is a single chapter that holds the clue. Find that chapter, and you've solved the mystery.
And so we end with a question. For you, every system you use, every process in your life is a chain. And every single chain has a weakest link. The real challenge isn't just to be ready to fix it when it breaks. The challenge is to know your system so well, to be so prepared that you can look to the future and ask yourself, which link in my chain will break first? Find that link, strengthen it, and you won't just be solving problems, you'll be preventing them.
Hi everyone. First of all, thank you for watching this video. My name is Naresh. I am the content creator behind this YouTube channel. I have created a community for Citrix learners where I will be posting a lot of details on Citrix products and how to work in Citrix environments. I'm going to mention the link in the video description so you can click on that link and you can become part of the community. All right, see you soon. Bye bye.